Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of how I make my model, and in this video we'll be continuing from where we stopped in the last video. So as you can see, I'm still placing all the transparent walls and cutting them out exactly to size. Now I start to shape the walls along with the plan, but before that I decide to start cutting out the first floor so that I can measure it with the walls. I'm repeating the same process for the ground floor also and applying floor finishes to it. Why? Because when I put on the lights inside the building, it's going to actually show what is going on inside. Yeah, and you need to make sure it actually looks okay and we're not just saying strawboard only. Now I'm cutting out the last part of my elevation, the curved wall, and applying my doors and windows to it. So now I start with putting in the first floor because I believe it would be what will hold the whole model together. Also, if I add the ground floor first, it would make it very hard to insert the second floor. So I start to fix in some supports and also prepare the walls to receive the ground floor so that when I actually glue it to the building, any misalignments could easily be corrected. I start to cut out the roof slab and make supports for it in the four corners of the building. In here, I'm just testing out ways that I can refract the light in a way that it will bounce out well from the building. After cutting out my roof slab, I start to attach my blue lights to it so that I won't have wiring issues later on. In here, I start to create the parapet walls for the roof slab where I would insert my roofs too. So that will be the end for this video. We'll continue in part 3. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all there.